Our research question is, are cereals being intentionally marketed to kids? Source of data is the Excel sheet of data of a sample of 75 different cereals. The variables are age is the independent variable and shelf is the outcome variable or the dependent variable. What we have here is the chart. It is what shelf the cereal sits on, and then we have the age or the adult and child cereals in the total, as well as the top shelf, middle shelf, bottom shelf, and total shelf, as well as all the data we collected.
Okay, here we have our pie charts for the given data above, which over here there's for the top, which is in orange, it's 69.2%, which is given off the proportion, which is top adult to the total, top being 36 and the bottom part of the proportion is 52, is 0.6923, which is 69.23%, and then that's the same for the proportions, is just going off of the top row for adults, and it's for middle is 9.6%, and for the bottom it's 21.2. And then for child, it was only the middle and bottom that showed up in data. The bottom is 39.13%, which is 14 divided by, or the proportion 14 over 23, which is 0.6086, which is 86%, and then the bottom, which is 39.13%. And then we also did the shelf, which is adult is 100% adult on the top, which is 36 over 36, which is going off of here, the top total in adult. And then there is 0 for children. The middle is for child is 73.68%, and then adult is 26.31%. And then also for the bottom, child was 45%, and then adult is 55% of them on the bottom. Okay.
And to summarize what we concluded from all of the graphic data, children's height correlates with the shelf that each of the cereals are on. If you see here, top shelf is 100% all for adult cereals and has no children's cereals on it, which makes sense when marketing towards children because children's height is not up to the top shelf level. So it would be easier for a child to see the bottom, which is the bottom and middle, which is dominated by children. So what we learned from this graph and the data is children's cereals marketed towards the bottom.
There we go.
That's our project.